Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing your practice really well and focusing in your learning every day. Welcome to Learn and Shine with Shamal, and today is our day 3 and then episode number 3. Our today's story is The Boy Who Stopped Waiting. So like this we come across with a new story every day and learn through the story, learn English through the story. So let's dive into the session. And today's story, the name is The Boy Who Stopped Waiting. Rohan had already learned one important lesson in life: never give up. After months of practicing English every day, he had become much better. He could understand videos, read small stories, and even learn new vocabulary daily. But there was still one big problem. He was too scared to speak. Every time he wanted to talk in English, fear would hold him back. One day, while looking at himself in the mirror, he said confidently, "From today, I will stop hiding. I will start speaking English with people." His younger sister heard him and started laughing. "Oh, really?" she said. "Last week you said I am understanding everything instead of I understand everything." That was a complete rookie mistake. Rohan looked embarrassed. "Yes, I know," he said, "but beginners make mistakes." His sister smiled and said, "Then stop worrying and improve." That sentence stayed in his mind all day. Later, Rohan decided it was time to step out of his comfort zone. He walked into a cafe and decided to order in English. The waiter asked politely, "Sir, what would you like to have?" Rohan became nervous. His heart started beating faster. His brain suddenly stopped working. Instead of saying anything, "I would like a sandwich and coffee," he accidentally said, "I would like one coffee sandwich and one bread machine." The waiter froze. Two people sitting nearby started laughing. Rohan wanted to disappear immediately. For a moment, he thought, maybe I should stop trying. But then he remembered something important. If I keep waiting for perfect English, I will wait forever. So he smiled and said, "Sorry, let me try again." This time he spoke slowly and correctly. The waiter smiled back. As Rohan sat down, something suddenly clicked. He realized that grammar was never his biggest problem. Vocabulary was never his biggest problem. The real problem was fear. For months, he was waiting to become confident first. But confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action. That evening, he opened his notebook and wrote, "Today, I finally understood something. You do not become fluent because you know everything. You become fluent when you stop fear from controlling you." Many people keep preparing forever. They keep watching videos, they keep memorizing rules, but they never speak. And then years pass. Success belongs to people who stop waiting and start doing. So guys, in this story we have learned many things like yesterday's story. This is also a really motivational story, and it will definitely make you to learn English by getting out of your comfort zone. Believe me, if you start speaking, you will definitely get that confidence, and one day you will be definitely a fluent and eloquent speaker. So let's dive into the idioms which we have used in this story. The first one is rookie mistake. Rookie mistake means a silly mistake usually made by beginners. Examples are saying wrong grammar in the beginning is a rookie mistake. Saying go instead of saying come is a rookie mistake. Forgetting basic pronunciation is a rookie mistake. Next one, wait forever. Keep delaying action because you want the perfect moment. Examples are, if you wait for confidence, you may wait forever. You will definitely delay that action because you want to become perfect. You want to get that confidence. Then you'll wait for forever. Don't wait forever to start learning new skill. Please never wait. Never put off your learning things. Never do procrastination. This is really a killer for your learning things. The last one is it clicked. It means suddenly understood something very clearly. Sometimes that even we also experience that thing. Sometimes any idea all of a sudden came in our mind, and our mind opens. So like that, suddenly understood things or something which we in the clear way. So the examples are, after practice, pronunciation finally clicked for me, because without practice you cannot get hang of it. Grammar looked difficult, but one day it clicked. One day I got to know each and everything about the grammar. I understood the grammar. It happens with me as well, because even I am also learning. I'm also in the learning phase. I'm also learning new things. So it doesn't mean that whenever I learn it, at the first moment I get it easily. It takes time for me as well. So definitely it will click to you as well. And our next one is advanced vocabulary, which we have used in this story. Fluent. Fluent means able to speak smoothly and confidently. Means in Hindi you can call it dhara pravah. So एक ही धारा में बात करना without a mistake, not mistake but without stopping. That is called fluency. You speak smoothly and confidently. My friend speaks fluently. Confidence. Confidence means belief in yourself. Atmavishwas. Confidence is the key to success. Embarrassed. Embarrassed means feeling uncomfortable because of mistake by done somebody or by ourselves. So he felt embarrassed because of his bad English. Hesitation. Hesitation means sashankata, feeling unsure before acting. So keeping any doubt in your mind before acting anything. Having any doubt. Not keeping, having any doubt before doing any action. So she was hesitating before speaking because she was not confident. Comfort zone. Comfort zone means the place where you feel really very comfortable and where you avoid challenges and you don't want to get out of it. You don't want to step out of it. That place is called comfort zone. See, what is comfort zone for us? Our family. We feel comfortable over there when we are with our family. But when we meet strangers, there we definitely feel uncomfortable. So get out of your comfort zone, speak English or speak with the people, then only you'll get comfortable with strangers, with the new language or with the new skill. And these are really important things which you have to always keep in your mind, that don't let fear hold you back. Hold you back means fear की वजह से पीछे नहीं आना है, पीछे नहीं रहना है. आपका डर आपको पीछे नहीं रुका सकता है और उसको नहीं रोकना चाहिए. Stop waiting for perfect timing. Don't wait for the tomorrow or the day after tomorrow or the next month, Monday, the first day of any month or the first day of the any year, 1st January. Any moment is the right moment for learning new thing or for the starting new thing. So always start anything. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start speaking every day, every single day, because when you want to learn swimming, you have to dive into the water. For that matter, you have to speak with people, you have to get along, mingle with people, then only you will speak with them. Step out of your comfort zone. As I told you earlier, that get out of your comfortable area, that zone, speak with the people, speak with the strangers, then only you'll get your confidence to speak in public. Mistakes are part of learning. Yes, guys, mistakes are part of learning, because without mistakes you don't learn, you don't get success. Because if you commit any mistake, you'll definitely come to know the way of yours, your style, and sometimes it is wrong. So you have to use different way. You have to rectify your errors. Then only you'll learn and you'll get success. And always remember, confidence comes after action, not before the action. So don't procrastinate. Don't put off your action. Don't put off things. Don't delay it. Do your action. Then only your confidence will come. And the last one is, success begins when excuses ends. Don't give lame excuses. Because if you keep on give excuses, you will never achieve your success. So guys, here we are at the end of our session, and please let me know in the comment box how you found this story. Did you enjoy it? And please try to give answers of my question which I have given you in this session. The questions are: why do many people spend years learning English but still avoid speaking? Can confidence come before action, or does action create confidence, and why? And the last question is, what is stopping you right now from improving your English? Lack of knowledge or fear of making mistakes? So please do answer those questions in our comment box, and please like, share and subscribe. Learn and shine with Shamal. So meet you in the next episode number 4 of our story, Learn with the Story with Shamal. Thanks, bye-bye, and take care, and keep learning, keep shining. Bye-bye.